A privacy screen for the Pixel 3a? Let's put it on and see how it works. Dave Taylor here, and I'm still enjoying my Google Pixel 3a. It's a really nice little budget smartphone, and apparently it is telling me there's stuff going on. How cool is that? But here's the thing, is that they're not very private. Modern smartphones, you can see what's on the screen for quite a range, which means someone sitting next to you can certainly quite easily sit and watch what you're doing. It's kind of a drag. So enter this. This is the GPEL Privacy Screen for the Google Pixel 3a. Now they have privacy screens for a ton of different smartphones. And of course you want to get exactly the right one so it's exactly the right size, dimensions, and has all the right shape for your exact phone. So let's see what's in the box. We're going to go ahead and put it on. And then when we're done, I have an OtterBox case for the Pixel 3a, and we'll see if the screen protector is case friendly too. Now, open it up, and it's a pretty standard set of instructions. Let's see what's inside. There's a happy sticker or not happy sticker. Okay. There's the installation kit, and there is, of course, the actual glass screen protector. So let's see. The box has instructions. And I'll tell you, the first thing I did is I washed my hands thoroughly, because the first thing you want to do is get the oils off your fingers. Otherwise, it kind of ruins the whole thing. Then we're basically just going to clean this and get it squeaky clean. Then put the screen protector on, rub it around, done. Easy, right? So they say, open the kit. All right, we can open the kit, and let's see what's in this installation kit. And in the kit, we have, let's see, a lint-free soft cloth, really nice and soft actually, and let's see, an alcohol cleaner, and 2 dust removal stickers. Pretty exciting. Now, they say you should clean with the alcohol wipe, then remove the adhesive cover from the back of the screen protector, place it on, and then put it on. So actually, they don't even tell you to use the dust removal stickers, so we're going to improvise a little bit. So I'm going to start, as they suggest, with the alcohol cleaner. And this is basically the same thing you'd get at any decent barbecue place to wash your hands or to like clean your fingers off after you've indulged in a rack of ribs or something. So it is basically just a wet piece of cloth, and you want to have it on a nice flat surface so you can work with this and not hassle. So easy enough. If you can't do this part, then you probably can get someone else to help you. But even people that don't like keeping things clean should be able to manage this. We want to do a nice job here. And let's see. I think that's good. And now I'm going to look and see if there's any. I don't see any dust, but we're going to use the dust removal sticker anyway, because hey, it comes with 2, right? So this is easy. You literally just do that. You put it on, and you can have some fun with it, I suppose. But mostly you want to do this on the edges. So there we go. And now I'm going to use this just to make sure it's nice and clean. And of course, the phone is actually going a little wonky here because it's like, what the heck are you doing right now? Tough luck, phone, cope, right? I suppose you could do it with the phone off, but I've never actually done it with the phone off. And now here we have our screen protector, and you can see already that it is a directional piece of glass. Now, it's interesting, it's actually Japanese Asahi tempered glass, and Asahi is sort of the Japanese version of Gorilla Glass, which comes from Corning. So similar glassworks that focuses on super strong glass. This has a 9H hardness, an oleophobic coating, and you always want that on a screen protector or even on a screen itself. If you're touching it, you don't want it to end up with a bunch of fingerprints. So that's what oleophobic means. It is 0.33 millimeters thick, and I can already see it has rounded edges, which is good because you want to have that nice feel to it. And let's see, so now they are telling me to remove the adhesive cover from the back of the screen protector, place it on the phone, and then gently press the middle. So this is really not much to this task. So I think I'm actually making it harder than it needs to be by explaining it rather than just doing it. But we're ready to roll. So The phone is clean. I have the phone and the screen protector on the same orientation, which you can tell because there's little cutouts on the top of the protector. It is now off of the protective backing and just basically just need to line it up as centered and perfect as possible. That looks just about ideal. And then I use the soft cloth to push the center. And the way these adhesives work is it actually will stick by itself, though, you know, there's often little spots that you need to rub a little bit more enthusiastically. And then, you know, telling how well it worked is a function of actually looking at it at an angle, which of course should also give you a chance to see how the protective part works. And this looks pretty perfect, actually. I do have the advantage of having installed many of these, but now straight on, it's not quite as bright. That's the price you pay, but look how quickly it goes black. So, you know, if someone's looking over my shoulder, they're looking at it and they're like, your phone's off. What are you doing? But for me, it's straight on, so I'm seeing it perfectly well. So again, let me show you that, is that when you're looking at it straight on, there's really very little impact from this, but even just a little bit off, and it's gone black. So that's exactly what it's supposed to do, and it does. So this is a 60-degree field of view, which means instead of having it be like 180, you're giving it like that is your viewing angle, and someone here, someone sitting next to you on the bus or the plane, glances over and they either see nothing or they see the barest and faintest of all possible screens. Exactly how you want it to work. It is installed. I think the feel with the rounded edges is great. Only one more thing left to try, which is, will it work with the case? Now, OtterBox, these are probably the worst case scenario, because they're very covering cases. And indeed, it is on here. It is in the OtterBox case, and it's still perfectly functional. And just to show you, you can see, you know, phone still works exactly as you would want it to. And goodness knows what I'm doing as I'm pushing all these buttons, but you can see that there's nothing slowing you down in terms of using the functionality of the phone. All the touch system works. You know, the screen looks fine. You can look at it horizontally or vertically, and that works fine. But again, get it at an angle and it goes black. It's really more designed, I think, for this, but it works either way, and that's pretty slick. I am not super paranoid, but I don't really like other people looking at what I'm doing and watching my screen. So I like something like this, and this is a keeper for sure. And of course, since it's 9H tempered glass, it just gives you another layer of protection against your screen cracking or being damaged, which is bad. So that's it. Installed, done, demoed. Not too bad. Now, before I tell you how much it is, and you're going to just go, well, yeah, I'm going to go buy one. But before we get there, let me ask if you can subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate when you do that. Cool. Now, this is the GPEL Privacy Screen for the Google Pixel 3a. They have it for a wide variety of other phones. It is $14.99 at Amazon.com. Make double sure you're getting the right one, because I have a lot of options. You want exactly the right one for exactly your phone. Don't get one that's close, get the right one. And that'll make a difference. Easy to install, and the benefits of having it on, I think, are absolutely demonstrated right there in the ability for you, when you're looking at it, to see it perfectly fine, but everyone else to just have a black screen. Total win, totally worth checking out. And with that, this is Dave Taylor. I'm going back to my phone, which means I'll catch you in my next video.